Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day. I'm here on behalf of Pure Profit Pro. Okay. You've seen my videos before on Pure Profit Pro. If you haven't, Pure Profit Pro is an online business. It's digital education. It's e-learning, electronic learning. It consists of 3 different education packages ranging from $250, $500, and $1,000 product package level. In each package is different education, internet marketing education that teaches you how to market online. Okay. And what's so great about it, guys, is you can access your product, your training, your resources, everything you need from your smartphone, your laptop, or computer. As long as you have internet, you can actually access everything and work this business anywhere in the world. It's an actual global business, okay? So it's not just in the US, it's all over, it's nationwide. Now, what Pure Profit Pro consists of, as it states on the screen, is tools, training, and resources, and a community to help you with your success in this opportunity. Everything is video training or audio, okay? And it's all in one marketing system. Capture pages are included. It's really a business in a box. Once you pay your admin fee, you pick one of these levels, okay? Once you pay the admin fee and you pay your sponsor will give you access to your product, to your products immediately. And you'll immediately receive an email, and you're in business. You don't have to wait for anything to be built, a website, or any of that. It's instant. Your business is instantly set up and ready for you to market, and it has resources and training in your back office to help you get started. And of course, if you join my team, I have additional training that I'm going to provide you. I'm going to give you access to some exclusive training and some resources that have been proven to work. So you're going to get extra training, okay? That's the bonus you're going to get. This is your page. This is the website that you're going to get. And as I stated earlier, it does come with 2 capture pages. So literally you can actually work this business as soon as you pay. You're ready to rock and roll. Now if you click each product package, it shows you what's included in each package. Like your $250 package, this is what you will get. Okay, here's the training that you will receive, and we'll just go over each one. That's the $500 package and the training that you will receive. Okay, I mean, it's tons of training in here, guys. Tons and tons of training. Okay, so that's quite a bit that you will have access to. As you can see, I'm at the $1,000 level, and of course if you come in at the $1,000 level, you're going to receive all the lower levels are included. And just know, by joining this program, what I like about it, it's only 3 levels, and you'll never make under $250. Okay, you will pass up your first sale, that's your qualifier, and then after that you are ready, you're in business, okay? So, okay, alright, so this is the website you're going to get, okay? And there's quite a bit of features in here. This video right here is going to do all the selling and telling for you, okay? All your job is going to be is direct people to your website and let this video do the selling and telling for you. There's an autoresponder already built in this system, okay, that will follow up with your prospects. As you can see right here, it states email, autoresponder, lead capture pages, website, everything is included, okay? So what you're going to need to do, and I will show you some other resources and ways that I'm getting leads into this system, okay? So let me back up. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get you. There we go. So as you can see, $250 plus $95 will get you started with that one. $500 plus the $125, And these are one-time payments, guys. $1,000 plus the $145. That's it. One-time payments. And if you like to upgrade later, all you're going to do is pay the difference. But you will pay the admin fee of that level you're upgrading to. For example, if you came in at the 500 and you want to go to the 1,000 later, you're going to have to pay the 500 plus the 145. Okay? So you can upgrade at any point in time that you choose to. But this is an online business. You can work from anywhere in the world. That's what I like about it. I can actually do some paid advertising, hit that button from my phone, send traffic, and have visitors going to my website at any point in time and let the system follow up with them via email, and then I can actually pick up the phone and call them. So it's really running without me really doing a lot with it. I set it and basically forget it, and just follow with my prospects. Okay, but this is a great way to get started. It's a great price point. I mean, if you had $250 plus $95, you can be in business. That's not a bad price to go ahead and get a business going, guys. That's really a great price point. But if you want to go all in, you do the 1,000 plus the 145, then you qualify to receive the $500 commissions and the $250. Okay, so a great program. I'm super excited about it because I have seen people lose money in other programs. If they're not at those levels, you will lose the whole sale. But with Pure Profit Pro, you're going to always make the level that you come in at. So if you came in at the 500 and somebody comes at the 1,000, you're going to still make 500. The other 500 passes up, but you still make your 500 versus you losing the entire sale. Okay, so that's definitely a game changer. All right, so that's all I've got for you today. I just wanted to come back and introduce Pure Profit Pro to you once again. A great program. It's been around, I think, about 3 years now, I believe it is. So solid company. I don't have any issues with the website. It's never been down since I've been a part of it. Everything is basically on autopilot. All you do is run your traffic to it, or your postcards. I have a postcard template too if you're interested in doing postcards. And let the video, guys, this video, do the selling and telling. Okay, and then all you have to do is answer questions and follow up, and your prospects will make a decision from there. It's no pressure sales. It's they look at the video, either they in or they out. Okay, no chasing friends and family. Just let them watch this video, and that's it. Okay, all right, that's all I've got for you today. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.